What's up guys, Shafik here. Today we're going to build a customer support agent that businesses would actually pay for within 10 minutes. Let's get it. So firstly, after you log into Voiceflow, you will go here, you will go into your first AI agent, click on it. We're going to skip all the unnecessary things. Firstly, we need a knowledge base so the agent actually knows what to do, or not what to do, my bad. The agent actually has some context, some information about our store. So I will go to add data source. We will go to plain text and the content is this. I've created this with an GPT, just some dummy data. Store information, the store name is Honey Haven. We're selling honey. The website is an example website. About us, we have some about us, right? So if the customer will ask, okay, what about the brand, like tell me something, it will fetch from this. Products, we have some wildflower honey, blah 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 blah. So you can see how the knowledge base is structured. We have even ingredients. Our standard honey products contain 100% honey, some information about the products, raw honey, crystallization, storage, boom 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 boom, shelf life. Like there's a lot of stuff, right? Order tracking, shipping cost, orders over 50 qualify for free standard shipping, a lot of stuff, right? So we'll import it, and now let's go straight into the workflow. So you click here, you go into untitled workflow, and we're greeted here. If you want a full course on Voiceflow, you can join my community. It's down below in the description. You can click on the link, join, and there is a bunch of courses on AI automation, on how to build these AI agents in depth. There is a lot of agents I have already built there with my community, so you can check that out. But let's get it. So we will drag out a block, we will go to script it, and we will get a message. So what I want here is I would want to greet them somehow. So let's say, for example, hi there. Actually, no, let me actually go back to GPT and let me just go and create it right here. So create me an 3 variants of a welcome text. Boom. So now it will create me 3 variants. Why 3 variants? Because every time the user will use it, it will be a different welcome, which helps keep the conversation organic. So we add the variants like this, and yep, we have it. So we have 3 variants. If we play it right now, we will see that we'll get some variant, right? So we get the third one. So hi there, blah blah blah, welcome to Honey Haven. So we have this, and I emphasize on this a lot because if we just put one variant, either your client will not like it or his clients won't like it, right? So just put at least 3 variants. Also, what you can do is here you can go to generate more variants. So if we generate one more variant, we will get another variant, which sometimes doesn't really do its job. So rather I create it with AI myself. Now what we can do is we can actually add buttons. So let me just drag a button right here. Let me place it here, and let's add a button with ask a question, and another button will be, for example, products. So with the ask a question, we will go and add a playbook. This should be an AI agent, but they named it playbook, whatever. So we can describe when this playbook should be used, but let's just skip that right now. Let's keep it very simple. What we need to ensure is here that the knowledge base is on. So this is our prompt. You can also generate it within Voiceflow, but I have generated it myself. So we got the role, your friendly and professional customer support agent for Honey Haven, an online store selling honey. Then we have what the job is, so the core behavior. Then we have the knowledge base instructions, which is very important. So use the connected knowledge base as the primary source of truth for questions about products, prices, ingredients, honey variants, blah blah blah. And as you can see, this is the core of the whole agent, right? Once you get the knowledge base right, you basically you cannot almost go wrong. Obviously, then the prompts, they are the second most important thing, and you're good. You're genuinely good. By the way, what you can see here is we can connect Make, and if you saw like 5 of my previous videos, they were all about AI automations in Make. And also, inside my community, there is an exact template to automate knowledge base, right? So if you have a product, or not a product, if you have a site with products, they're probably updating it every single maybe day, maybe month, maybe week, doesn't matter. But you cannot really update the knowledge base manually every single time, right? Like every time writing like, okay, new product, so product name, this and that. No, what you need to set up is a system. It took me like, I don't even know, like 10 hours to actually create, and it's an automatic knowledge base. It's a 30-minute video inside my community, and there is a template. You can just directly download it. So I would advise you to do that. Okay, let's get back to the video. We have only 10 minutes or under 10 minutes. Let's get it. Okay, we have the shipping, everything. Then we have some, when answering questions, retrieve relevant information from the knowledge base, obviously. Then we have existing orders, something, returns and refunds. Okay. And the important rules for the end is never fabricate information, never make up order information. And this is basically a list of what it should not do. And this is very important. When you're prompting AI to do something, you should always say what it cannot do. Very important. So, yep, we have this. Let me just close this. Let's actually run it. So let's ask it, for example, about, hey, welcome to Honey Heaven. How can I help you today? Let's say, for example, what's your order shipping? Or okay, I said it bad. What's your shipping order? Or not? Whatever. What's your shipping? Let's just say what's your shipping. I don't care right now. Let me look up our shipping information for you. So here's our shipping info. Boom, 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 boom. And you can see it just lists out, like within few seconds, not even seconds, it lists out everything for you. This, in my opinion, is crazy. So keep in mind, these are estimated and may vary due to customs, holidays, weather, or carrier delays, blah, 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 blah. Very professional, in my opinion. As you can see, this took us, what, I don't know what the timer is, but it's like 4 minutes, something like that. Yeah, that's very good. Okay, so we have this part. What about if we actually want to list the products? So we will go also, what about if we actually want to list the products? So I will also cover that in this video. We will go to scripted, we will go to cards, and here we will just find some pictures of honey. So let me just do that right now. So honey, whatever. Let me just go to images, right? This one, I hope I'm not stealing anything from anyone. Don't get mad at me, guys. Let me just paste it. Does it work? Okay, now, but we can add the URL. So let me just do it very quickly. Okay, so the link doesn't work. So let me just do a very, very quick thing. Let me just, I don't know, take a photo of this one or take a screenshot of this one, right? Let me just hit browse, or let me just paste it there. Boom, don't need this. Boom, we have the honey right here. We have the untitled card, so we want to obviously title it. Wait. We will say, for example, wildflower honey, very wild, whatever. Button, this is very important. If you add a button, you should go to URL and add the URL of a product. So let me just do it right here. So just for showcase, just go here, boom, straight to the checkout page, boom. And this is, the button is going to be, for example, shop now, right? So I'll just go like this, shop now, open a new tab, or open a, no, we want open a new tab. Very nice. Boom, we have shop now like this. Okay, so we even have the product. So let's actually play it from the start. We will get the greeting message and we will click on products this time, and boom, we see the wildflower honey, very wild. This is the description. And if we click on shop now, we will go straight to the checkout page and buy the honey. As I said, this is just a demo, so obviously this is like a random picture and a random checkout page of a random honey, but it works very well. But what you need to do now is you need to set up a block right here. My bad, that will say anything else. Wait, let me go to scripted, right? We'll just write anything else, and we will go and create another button, basically copy these buttons, right? So we will hit duplicate, we have them right here, we will drag them, place them right here, and now we have a loop that will continue and continue and continue. And we will add a button that is end, or maybe end the conversation would be better, right? End conversation. And here we will just drag out to actions and we will go to end. Boom. Again, this ask questions will go right here. So we will just link it like this, and the products will go back to products like this. So let's play it again one more time. If we go, for example, to the products, yeah, now we will click to shop now, right? We look at the honey, blah, blah, blah. And if we want to go back, we have anything else, and we end the conversation, but rather let's ask a question. So let me say, what's your cheapest honey I can buy? Some random question again. Our most affordable honey is wildflower honey at $12.99. Okay, and I will say, end the conversation, please. Thanks. And the chat has ended. So in the fastest way I could, I have explained a very simple AI agent. If you want me to cover a much more detailed one where we actually have many products and just basically do a full demo, I could 100% do that for you. So just leave a comment. You can join the community for free. I don't know when you're watching this video. The community will 100% be paid only very soon, but you can look through the link in the description and see you inside. Bye bye.